What's up, guys? Welcome back. Donatello's Workshop, RC. David here. I just want to show you this. Happy Memorial Day, by the way. This B4, I just geared it up, and this thing is a screamer. Guys, if you haven't switched these over to these J Concepts battery retainer system, they're so simple, but just nice, elegant, easy, you know. I bought 3 of them from Go Fast, and so I could do my T's and my B4, and dude, it's just freaking nice. I love it. I'm using these 7200 milliamp hour 120C battery packs that I got from Z. So I tested it last night. This thing runs really good. It was running really fast, and one of the tires popped, came unglued, so I had to re-glue the tire, one of the tires at least, and then I just sort of put a bead around the other rear so that I could be confident it was going to hold. But yeah, this battery retainer system is just freaking nice, you guys. So let's take this for a quick spinaroo, and then I got to take off to Home Depot, buy some plants, maybe hit up Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm not sure if there's going to be enough time. Just kidding. What movie? Comment below. Classic. Yeah, no, I am going to Home Depot though to buy some plants and a hose. My wife got a $100 Home Depot card for Mother's Day from the kids, and I'm gonna pitch in and get her some tomato plants and different things. Boom. Okay, see you out there. Yeah, this thing's looking good. By the way, see the wing buttons? I didn't have them. They didn't come with the car when I procured it from eBay. And my new build, the Dirt Cross, had 2 of them, 2 sets. So I put the other set on this just to kind of complete that, because this was flopping around. And then I got the front wing on there, which I'm gonna paint black as soon as my paint comes in. So it's looking good. So, okay, gearing, let's talk about it. I had an 81 tooth spur, and it had 28 tooth pinion. And now I have a 69 tooth spur and a 32 tooth pinion. Yeah, she's a screamer. Look at that. Got a nice gear mesh. Oh, I did get the gear cover as well. Has a nice resonant sound to it. I love the way this thing handles. It's really, really, really fast now. So I can't quite make that corner full throttle anymore. You gotta really finesse it. But honestly, it's controllable and easy enough to drive this thing. So I got the hot laps on the rear. I left the carvers on the front. There's no foams in them, so there could be an improvement there. I could put hot laps on the front with the foamies that they come with, and it would probably perform just a little better, or maybe have a little bit more bite in the front. I don't know. It doesn't handle bad at all though. So let's come down full speed. Yeah. What do you guys think? Pretty fast, huh? Freaking love B4s. Bear, stay here. Had to come off the throttle. Whew. Yeah. Turn the steering down just a little bit more maybe. It's down pretty low already. Very smooth, pretty dang quick. Oh, see, I can't quite make that corner anymore. I gotta really finesse it. So this is just gonna be a short video. There you go. Gotta finesse it. Let's try it this way. Yeah. I love body roll. And if you're on the throttle, then it won't snap on you. So if you ease back into the throttle. There. Oh, I lost it, but I almost had it. The front spoilers, you guys, for the kind of stuff I do, they do help them track at high speed. You can feel it. You can tell the difference. That's how I blew a tire too, actually, was getting too hard on the throttle when it was spinning out. And the diff kind of sent all the power to one side, and that tire just spun up and blew. So with conservative driving, should be okay, you know. See, if I stay on the throttle, it'll track out. See, I just gave it a little throttle, straightened right out for me. So, got to kind of relearn how to drive it. Before it was super forgiving because it wasn't too fast to where I couldn't just get away with a little drift, you know, be like that. It's sure fun to drive though. Sure fun to drive. Yeah, the tires are glued back. Put a little reinforcement bead in there of glue, and yeah, check that out from some cars. Yeah, dude, this thing's cool. Unbelievable. So that's the tallest gearing I've ever really got. 16, I mean, I've never gone below a 72 tooth spur ever on anything. And you know, it's a 3-gear transmission, so you can kind of speculate on the final drive ratio, but 69 spur. I still don't think it's fast as the PR though. For whatever reason, I don't think it has that, it just doesn't have the top speed that the PR's got. The PR is blisteringly fast. but it definitely, because these are small and light, you know, definitely likes it. So, and I put the biggest pinion I had on it, which is a 32 tooth. So, yeah, this thing's effing sick. I did feel the motor yesterday. It was getting pretty hot. I mean, not like melt hot, but it did get some, definitely got some heat into it. It's very smooth. Very, very smooth. And the guy who built the tranny, I think he did a good job. The diff is just about right. It's like probably looser than I would have built when I built it, because I tend to over tighten diffs, but it's a good thing in this case. Like the diff gives you really good turn or really good rotation. So there you go. Freaking sick, right?